Hagleitner2GO is a highly intelligent, environmentally responsible system that uses up to 80% less water than standard dosing devices. It ensures the exact dosage of the product independent of water pressure, viscosity, and temperature. For your safety, ensure the appropriate PPE is worn. Sanitary2GO is a powerful acidic bathroom cleaner. Power2GO is a powerful stone and tile cleaner. Active2GO is a fat-dissolving kitchen cleaner. All-Round2GO is a glass and multi-purpose cleaner. Hygienic Des2GO is a commercial-grade disinfectant and non-rinse sanitizer that is TGA certified, effective against COVID-19 in dirty conditions in 90 seconds. FloorStar2GO is a universal floor cleaner for large areas. The Integral2GO dispenser will stop when the volume is reached. When finished, press down the orange button to remove the hose from the dispenser. If an error message appears, check that you have put the right product in the dispenser.